Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of Yo on the Go. Today we're going to be talking about when is the best time to negotiate. Negotiate a new car, negotiate a new position, job, new career. Well, in order to find the best time, the best way is actually look at the worst time and not do that. So when is the worst time? The worst time in terms of buying a car is when your car is at the dealer on the rack and the dealer tells you, by the way, the car is so broken, I am unable to legally give it back to you. So you're going to have to find another car. And by the way, we just happen to have a great, nicely priced car for you today. Now, you know at that point, you are in for the worst deal of your life because all of those things are stacked against you. The same thing goes with finding a job. If you have a job and let's say your job is threatened or things are going very badly, that is the worst time to look for another job because you may be jumping out of the frying pan into the fire. So when is the best time? The best time is when you're having the best time at your position. Things are going well, you have a very good succession plan, things are just peachy. And the reason is because that gives you the best opportunity to weigh the pros and cons for this new position relative to your current position and its future potential. And that's, I think, the most important part. You need to keep yourself out of that equation, and the best way is to not be pressured to leave that job for something else. And the best time is when things are going very well. So just consider that as you're looking at negotiations, whether it be a car, whether it be a new career. The best time is when you don't need any of these items. So I hope that's helpful for you. Until next time, bye.